Alright, I need you guys to help me decipher whether this is a rod knock or rod bearing issue. 2009 Subaru WRX, brand new EJ255, has roughly 11,000 miles on it. Just like I said, I just bought it, confirmed with the shop that built the motor that it is a brand new long block. Just got Cobb access port. It has, boost, oil pressure, and exhaust temp gauges, which are nice. But anyways, it's at a cold start. I was going to fire it up and see if you guys could hear it, and then I'll move over to the motor and see if you guys can hear it. It's concerning to me. I haven't got many knock values off of Cobb. I know that, it's not necessarily a problem unless it's constant. Today I got a value of -7. But I took it up a little past what I usually do. It was probably about 6,500. At least that's what I was reading on my tack. But yeah, that's where it was. And then I was coming up my driveway in second gear, probably about 2,000 RPMs, and it pulled again to -4, like 4.2, I want to say. So yeah, I'm a little concerned. This would be the second engine that I've had rod knock in. Different Subaru this time. But anyway, so I'll fire it up, cold start, and see if you guys can hear it from the cabin, then I'll move to the engine. Okay, so that wasn't so bad. It's easier to hear in person. Hopefully you can hear something in that video. I can definitely hear it. It's about, when I did it there, I can hear it from about the 1,500 RPM range to about 2,500. Revving it up from about 15 to 3 steadily. I didn't hear it. But there's definitely a metal on metal sound happening. I don't know what exactly. That's why I'm kind of asking you guys for help. I'm going to try to do a third gear pull, wide open throttle. See if I can catch maybe what knock event is happening. Probably start the pull at 3,500 RPM, take it red line. If I notice a knock number, I'll probably let off. But anyways, thanks for struggling through the video. I hate making videos myself, but thanks for watching, and hopefully you guys can give me some good feedback. All right, bye.